Installing siding on an 800 square foot area can be a considerable project that requires time and skill. Here are some considerations. Area preparation. Before beginning installation, make sure the surface is clean, level and ready to receive the siding. This may involve removing any existing cladding, repairing the underlying structure and applying a moisture barrier if necessary. Siding measurement and cutting. Carefully measure the surface to be covered and cut the siding panels according to the necessary dimensions. It is important to take into account the corners and cutouts around doors and windows. Installing panels. Begin by installing the siding panels at the bottom of the wall, making sure they are level and aligned correctly. Work your way up, overlapping the panels according to the manufacturer's instructions. Attaching the panels. Use nails or screws to secure the siding panels to the underlying structure. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for nail placement and spacing. Cutouts and details. Make the necessary cuts to adjust the siding around doors, windows, corners and other obstacles. Use proper tools, such as a jigsaw or utility knife, to get clean, precise cuts. Sealing and finishing. Once all panels are installed, seal joints and edges with exterior caulking to prevent water infiltration and improve energy efficiency. Final cleaning and inspection. After completing the installation, clean any caulk residue or dirt from the siding surface. Perform a final inspection to make sure everything is installed correctly and in good condition. While an experienced professional may be able to complete the installation in 16 to 20 business hours, it is important to note that the exact time may vary depending on the complexity of the project, the experience of the installer, and other external factors. If you are not comfortable doing the installation yourself, consider hiring a professional siding contractor to do the work for you.